Welcome to Intelligate. Today I'm going to introduce you to automatic currency exchange machine APT63FX model. And the biggest advantage of this machine is how fast and easy you can make the transactions. And today I'm going to show you. So if you come closer to the machine, you can see that it's currently supporting three currencies: dollars, euros, and Ukrainian hryvnias. However, you can set it up to support as many currencies as you want. So let's start to make a transaction. Here I have $100. I'm gonna put it in the ATM. It's gonna validate it and show you that it's gonna give us back 2,605 hryvnias. I'm gonna press next, and the dispensing process will start. Usually takes about 15 to 20 seconds. Here I have the money, and the change of 5 hryvnias in coins. So the transaction was successful, and let's try to print out a receipt. As you can see, we just got 2,605 hryvnias. So let's try to make a reverse transaction. So I'm gonna use my 200 hryvnias to exchange for dollars. And it's telling us that it's gonna give us 10 bucks and 4 hryvnias change, which I'm okay with as well. Here you go. And we got 4 hryvnias change in coins as well. So we're going to print out a check. To make sure that our transaction is successful. As you can see, the process is very fast, very reliable, and also I wanted to add how customizable this machine is. You can change anything from the upper screen to the interface to the amount of different currencies you want to set up in this machine. And we're really hoping to work with you in the future. Goodbye.